Determine the nature of the stationary points of the function fxy equals to 30xy minus 10x cubed minus 10y cubed minus 5. Hence, find the values of the function at those points. So the first step, we need to find f sub x and f sub y. So for f sub x, differentiate 30xy with respect to x is 30y. Differentiate negative 10x cubed with respect to x is negative 30x squared. Differentiate negative 10y cubed and negative 5 with respect to x is 0. f sub y. Differentiate 30xy with respect to y is 30x. Differentiate negative 10x cubed with respect to y is 0. Differentiate negative 10y cubed with respect to y is negative 30y squared. Differentiate negative 5 with respect to y is 0. So now let's equal our f sub x and f sub y with 0. So we have 30y minus 30x squared equals to 0 and y equals to x squared. If 30x minus 30y squared equals to 0, then x equals to y squared. So let us substitute y equals to x squared into x equals to y squared. So we're going to get x equals to the square of x squared, which is x to the power 4. If I factorize, I'm going to get 1 minus x cubed equals to 0. And x equals to 0, x equals to 1. So what we're going to do next is we're going to find the value of y. So I'm going to substitute back my x into y equals to x squared. So if I substitute 0 here, so 0 squared is also 0. And if I substitute x equals to 1 square, then my y is also 1. So my critical points are 0, 0, and 1, 1. So the next step is we're going to find the second order partial derivative, f sub xx. So differentiate 30y minus 30x squared with respect to x. So differentiate 30y with respect to x is 0. Differentiate negative 30x squared with respect to x, negative 60x. f sub yy. Differentiate 30x with respect to y is 0. Differentiate negative 30y squared with respect to y is negative 60y. f sub xy. So differentiate 30y with respect to y is 30 and differentiate negative 30x squared with respect to y is 0. So we get 30 there, right? Yes. Now we're going to substitute our second order partial derivative into the d-test, which is f sub xx times f sub yy minus f sub xy square. So negative 60x times negative 60y minus 30 square. So we're going to get 3600xy minus 900. Now we're going to substitute the point d0, 0. So make a d-test on point 0, 0. So substitute the point 0, 0. We're going to get negative 900. So negative 900 is less than 0. So if our d is less than 0, we know the point 0, 0 is a saddle point. So if we substitute f0, 0 into the function, we're going to get negative 5. So let's do some d-tests on the point 1, 1. So let us substitute here. 3600 minus 900 is 2000. So 3600 minus 900 is 2700. And if our d is greater than 0, we need to check our f sub xx. So add a substitute into negative 60x is negative 60 times 1, negative 60, which is less than 0. So we know the point 1, 1 is a maximum point. If we substitute the point 1, 1 into the function, 30 minus 10 minus 10 minus 5 is positive 5. So at the point 0, 0, it is a saddle point and the value is negative 5. And the point 1, 1 is a maximum point and the value is positive 5.